Chicory coffee, the perfect drink for diabetics. Hi everyone. In today's video, we are talking about a drink that has been gaining a lot of popularity lately, chicory coffee. If you are a diabetic, you might want to pay attention because this drink could be the perfect solution for you. As we all know, diabetics have to keep a close eye on their blood sugar levels. High blood sugar levels can lead to a range of serious health problems, including heart disease, blindness, kidney failure, and more. So, it's important to manage blood sugar levels with the right diet and drinks. And that's where chicory coffee comes in. Chicory coffee is made from the root of the chicory plant, which has been used as a coffee substitute for centuries. It is naturally low in caffeine and has a unique, earthy taste. But what makes it perfect for diabetics is that it has a low glycemic index, which means it doesn't cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels like regular coffee does. Now, you might be wondering, why is it important to choose a drink with a low glycemic index? Well, when we consume foods or drinks with a high glycemic index, they quickly break down into glucose, sugar, and cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. This spike in sugar levels triggers the release of insulin to bring the sugar levels back to normal, which can lead to a sugar crash. This cycle of sugar spikes and crashes can be harmful to diabetics and make it difficult to manage blood sugar levels. But with chicory coffee, you don't have to worry about this problem. It has a low glycemic index of around 35, which means that it won't cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. This makes it a great choice for diabetics who are looking for a caffeine fix without worrying about their blood sugar levels. Chicory coffee also has several other health benefits. For one, it is a rich source of inulin, which is a type of soluble fiber that has been shown to improve digestion and boost gut health. This fiber also helps to slow down the digestion of carbohydrates, which can further reduce the risk of blood sugar spikes. Another great benefit of chicory coffee is that it is naturally caffeine-free, which makes it a great alternative to regular coffee for diabetics who are sensitive to caffeine. Caffeine can cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels, so switching to chicory coffee can help diabetics avoid this problem. So, how can you make chicory coffee at home? It's simple. You can buy chicory coffee in the form of whole roots or ground coffee, and you can use it just like regular coffee. Simply add 1 teaspoon of ground chicory root to a cup of hot water and let it steep for 5 minutes. You can also add milk, cream, or sweetener if you prefer, but remember, it's already sweet on its own. In conclusion, chicory coffee is a perfect drink for diabetics because of its low glycemic index and health benefits. It is a great alternative to regular coffee and can help diabetics manage their blood sugar levels without sacrificing their caffeine fix. So, if you're a diabetic and looking for a great new drink, give chicory coffee a try. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and feel free to comment your questions down below.